A ketogenic diet to lose weight and fight disease. Obesity and metabolic diseases have become the world's biggest health problems. In fact, at least 2.8 million adults die from obesity-related causes each year, one trusted source. Metabolic syndrome affects over 50 million people in the US, and can lead to a variety of health problems. 2 trusted source, 3 trusted source, 4 trusted source. To combat this, many diets have emerged, few of which are actually backed by research. 5 trusted source. The benefits of the ketogenic diet, on the other hand, are well supported by science. 6 trusted source, 7 trusted source. This article explains how a ketogenic diet can help you lose weight and fight metabolic disease. What is a ketogenic diet? A ketogenic diet is high in fat, moderate in protein and extremely low in carbs. 8 trusted source. As carbs are reduced and fat is increased, the body enters a metabolic state called ketosis. Then the body starts turning fats into ketones, which are molecules that can supply energy for the brain. 9 trusted source, 10 trusted source. After a few days or weeks on such a diet, the body and brain become very efficient at burning fat and ketones for fuel instead of carbs. The ketogenic diet also lowers insulin levels. This, along with the increased ketones, are 2 of the main reasons this diet has so many health benefits. 9 trusted source, 11 trusted source, 12 trusted source, 13 trusted source, 14 trusted source. Staple foods on a ketogenic diet include meat, fish, butter, eggs, cheese, heavy cream, oils, nuts, avocados, seeds and low-carb vegetables. In contrast, nearly all carb sources are eliminated, including grains, rice, beans, potatoes, sweets, milk, cereals, fruits and even some higher carb vegetables. Bottom line, a ketogenic diet is a high-fat, moderate protein and low-carb diet. It primarily works by lowering insulin levels, producing ketones and increasing fat burning. Ketogenic diets and weight loss. There is strong evidence that ketogenic diets are very effective for weight loss. 15 trusted source. They can help you lose fat, preserve muscle mass and improve many markers of disease. 7 trusted source, 15 trusted source, 16 trusted source, 17 trusted source, 18 trusted source, 19 trusted source. In fact, many studies have compared the recommended low-fat diet to a ketogenic diet for weight loss. Findings often show the ketogenic diet to be superior, even when total calorie intake is matched. 17 trusted source, 20 trusted source, 21 trusted source. In one study, people on a ketogenic diet lost 2.2 times more weight than those on a low-calorie, low-fat diet. Triglyceride and HDL cholesterol levels also improved. 19 trusted source. You can see typical weight loss results on this graph. 19 trusted source. Another study compared a low-carb diet to the Diabetes UK's dietary guidelines. It found the low-carb group lost 15.2 pounds, 6.9 kilograms, while the low-fat group lost only 4.6 pounds, 2.1 kilograms. Over 3 months, the low-carb diet caused 3 times more weight loss. 22 trusted source. However, there are contrasting theories for these findings. Some researchers argue the results are simply due to a higher protein intake, and others think there is a distinct metabolic advantage to ketogenic diets. 23 trusted source, 24 trusted source. Other ketogenic diet studies have found that people can lose fat when food intake is not controlled or restricted. This is